my book, the one I'm reading nowadays, and it's very interesting. It's a autobiography called Behind Bars in Baikala by Jigna Vora. Yeah, so this is also special. So I recently visited Mathiran with my family.
Yeah.
This wallet is very special to me because it was again gifted to me by my mother. Hi, I'm Kashish Duggal and you're watching me on IWM Bus. Hi, I'm Kashish Duggal and today we are doing a segment called What's in My Bag? Let's start. So first of all, this bag was gifted to me by my sister. She bought it from Spain. So it's their brand from there. So first of all, we'll start with my wallet. So this wallet is very special to me because it was again gifted to me by my mother. So I consider a blessing क्योंकि हाँ तो इसमें मेरे कैश रहता है, कार्ड्स रहते हैं, पिक्चर्स रहती हैं मेरे बेटे की, मॉम डैड की. So and I'll keep removing this. Okay. Secondly, this is my makeup pouch. इसमें मेरे कुछ कुछ favorite so this is my favorite cheek tint, lip and cheek tint by Benefit. This is my favorite lip color. Yeah, the one I'm already wearing. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आई कांट डू विदाउट लिपस्टिक. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दुनिया ही खत्म हो जाएगी लिपस्टिक नहीं होगी. तो लिप बाम और लिपस्टिक इज माई इट्स अ नीड. सो ऑफ कोर्स कॉम्पैक्ट कोई भी एक्टर है तो उसे कॉम्पैक्ट की बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ती है क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी ऑयल आ जाता है और वो स्क्रीन पे अच्छा नहीं लगता. ऑल्दो आई लाइक इट वेरी नेचुरल वे बट स्क्रीन के लिए रखना पड़ता है. एंड कभी भी हम मीटिंग के लिए चले गए या कुछ हो गया सो एंड आई हैव माई काजल, आई हैव माई मस्कारा, लिपस्टिक के 2-3 शेड्स. सो या so this is my pouch which is always there in my bag. Then I have this.
Wow, I love this.
I love this because this is supposedly my brother in heaven's favorite perfume.
Yeah.
So this is very, very, very close to my heart. So yeah, after he was gone, so that's when I realized it's so nice. So yeah, I love this. I love this. Okay, then I have of course my hairbrush. Then I can't do without sunglasses. This is this is a need. This is I think the basic need. Of course, I generally keep two of them. One is always there in my car. One day we must do what's in my car, so you will see it. I have the entire house in my car. Okay, I carry it. So yeah, so one pair is there, and of course one has to be in my bag. Okay. Oh yes. So this is my favorite hand and body cream. As you can see, I've
You
almost
have
finished
many
this.
fancy things, yeah.
Oh yeah. I think
I'm loving all this stuff.
yeah. So this is my favorite. It's from Burberry, and I've almost finished it.
Yeah.
So please buy me a new one.
Is it
So
good? For, is it good?
it's
Has a review?
very good. It's very good. It makes your hands go so supple. It's very good. I love this, and I like a good smell. I like to smell good. I like good smell. So I like people who smell good around me. Yeah. So hygiene is very important for me. So yeah, there's a sanitizer, which is a must again in the car and in the bag. Yeah. So then I have this ruffle always. Of course, there's a clip also. There's a clutcher which is always there. I have to have options कि मैं क्या पहनूंगी, कैसे tie करूंगी. तो एक clutcher और एक ये ruffle is always there. Okay, so बहुत सारा सामान है. So I have this energy bar always because I try not to eat junk outside. मुझे लगता है कि उससे अच्छा मैं ये कैरी कर लूँ. आई कैरी सीड्स विद मी मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम सो विच इज़ लाइक इंस्टेंट एनर्जी दे देते हैं.
While shooting is important.
वाइल शूटिंग तो आई कैरी माई होल इंटायर फूड.
Yeah.
आई डोंट रिमेम्बर बचपन से भी मैंने कभी सेट पे खाना खाया. दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. आई लेट यू नो.
I want to know that soon.
I will.
Set पे ही करेंगे वो.
Set पे करेंगे. So I have these again.
Yeah.
Um, dark chocolate date and almond. So of course again instant energy. तो ये सब तो रहता है. हाँ ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. So a sachet of green tea and my chai with lemongrass. मैं कहीं पे भी चाय कॉफ़ी बहुत जल्दी नहीं पी पाती हूँ. So I have my coffee or tea has to be strong, less milk, very less jaggery preferably. बट हर जगह नहीं मिलती तो आई जस्ट एड हॉट वाटर टू इट. मुझे बार बार स्पॉट दादा को नहीं बुलाना पड़ता कि चाय ला दो. सो आई कैरी माई केटल ऑन द सेट and I hardly call for spot dada for anything. So I do my own stuff on set also. So ये बहुत essential है मेरे लिए. ये एक तो pouches हमेशा रहते हैं. Okay, then I have of course my car keys जो बैग में ही रहती है. सबसे important I can't function without car keys. Then I have my house keys. Okay, yeah. So this is also special. So I recently visited माथेरान with my family.
Yeah.
और ये वहाँ का ही सिंबल है क्योंकि वहाँ sad but वहाँ पे horses is a way of commuting.
Yeah.
I don't promote that though. लेकिन ये एक छोटा सा बच्चा था जो 10-12 साल का था. He wanted me to buy it because I think उसकी living थी. So just to make him feel good, I bought this from him.
Again, it's a fancy.
No, this is because वो एक छोटा सा बच्चा
Yeah.
बेच रहा था. तो मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ माथेरान में.
जी.
And even my child is very sentimental. He feels that तो मैंने उस बच्चे से ये just to make him happy
Yeah.
ये खरीद लिया था. So yeah, my book, the one I'm reading nowadays, and it's very interesting. It's a autobiography called Behind Bars in Baikala by Jigna Vora. So I've almost completed half of it, and I recently started reading it. It helps me because it's an autobiography. As an actor also, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक कैरेक्टर भी है. ये तो मैंने कैरेक्टर की तरह पिकअप किया था. आई रिसेंटली मेट दिस ब्यूटीफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग आल्सो. एंड मुझे फिर ऐसा लगा कि आई शुड नो मोर अबाउट हर. व्हेन यू मीट समबडी, ऐसे आप शायद नहीं रिलेट करते, बट I just thought, what's the story behind all this? So I just started reading this. I know what the struggle is, and as an actor, it also helps. But as a human being, also, I think it's a must read.
Yes.
I've just done half, but I can't resist myself. ये मैं carry भी कर रही हूँ. मैं अभी भी I was just sitting, so I was reading. So I'm addicted to it nowadays. So yeah, and my earpods कार में जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, लेकिन बाहर I can't have my phone on my ear because ऐसा लगता है कि थक गई. So ये है. Okay, of course my phone वो कभी बैग में कभी पॉकेट में. तो of course बहुत सारा है क्या? Okay, so this is the lady stuff I carry. The sanitary napkin, of course, for
Yeah.
me or my fellow mates अगर ज़रूरत पड़े. So it's always there. Anybody, if you want, ever, of course. And हाँ, so we are done. So हाँ, ये ऑफ लेट
Nice.
जब गैप्स आ जाते हैं तो मैंने डाइजीन ले ली है. जब बहुत ज़्यादा गैप्स आ जाते हैं खाने में और सेट पे भी आपको टाइम नहीं मिलता और चाय हो जाती है या कुछ हो जाता है, तो हाँ, फॉर लॉन्ग गैप्स. I think yeah, that's it. Yeah,
So
that's
you
all
carry
in my bag.
no small vanity with you. We can say mini vanity.
Yeah,
with you.
so I also carry ये छोटा सा very important thing for me. इसमें my religious beliefs, Hanuman Chalis, and I keep it here. So that's safe. So yeah, that's it in my bag. So it keeps changing according to my needs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we love this.
Thank you. Minimal, लेकिन हाँ.
Yeah, but most important stuff.
Yeah, most important stuff. Yeah.
So one message for the audience क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I think minimalist होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं अपने आप को स्टफ ना करूँ एज फार एज माई बैग इज कंसर्न, बिकॉज मैं काफ़ी कुछ अपनी कार में भी कैरी करती हूँ एंड आई कैन जनरली कैरी हेवी बैग्स ऑल द टाइम। सो इट डिपेंड्स, मैं कहीं जाती हूँ तो मैं छोटा बैग भी लेके जाती हूँ। इफ आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ मूवी तो मैं कैरी करती हूँ। बट बेसिकली माई फैंस, आई लव यू एंड यू हैव बीन वेरी सपोर्टिव। मेरा कोई भी शो आया है, आपने मुझे बहुत सारा प्यार दिया है एंड प्लीज़ कीप डूइंग दैट। इनफैक्ट उससे ऐसा लगता है कि आई शुड डू मच बेटर इन द नेक्स्ट। सो या, आई लव यू एंड थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग। Gratitude. Thanks.